Newborn penguins in Antarctica. In the vast and icy expanse of Antarctica, a rookery of penguins eagerly anticipated the arrival of their newborns. The female penguin lays one egg in May or June, then transfers it to the male for incubation in his brood pouch. She returns to the sea to feed while the male diligently cares for the egg. After approximately 65 days, cracks begin to appear in the eggs and fluffy chicks emerge. The proud parents guide their penguin babies through their early stages of life. As the days pass, the young penguins grow stronger and more curious, venturing into their icy surroundings and marveling at the beauty of their icy kingdom. As winter approached, they huddled together, relying on unity and resilience. With each passing day, the penguin family grew in number and strength. The little ones waddled alongside their parents, their fluffy bodies filled with curiosity and a yearning for adventure. They dreamed of exploring distant lands, swimming alongside seals, and marveling at the beauty of towering icebergs. As the seasons turned, the family eagerly awaited the arrival of the Antarctic summer, a time of abundance and opportunity. Together, they would embark on a grand adventure, venturing beyond their familiar rookery and into the vastness of the Antarctic wilderness. The penguin family's journey was just beginning. They looked forward to the challenges, discoveries, and bonds that awaited them. Stay tuned to witness the next chapter of their remarkable journey as they venture deeper into the mysteries of their icy kingdom. To be continued.